In this tutorial, we will know about mirror entities. As the name suggests, we can create mirror of any object with reference to a center line, an existing line, or a series of points. To use this mirror entity, we will draw some sketch. Go to sketch and select any plane, and let me draw some object from origin. Okay, let me draw an object like this. Take series of curves and this endpoint, and okay. Now I want to copy or mirror this object on the other side, on the rightward side. So we will use this mirror object or mirror entities. In this, first we have to select entities to mirror. It is selecting this line 8. I select this and delete. We need this complete object, so select this complete object, and then it is showing the option of copy. We can check it or uncheck this. Then select mirror about. Here we have to select a reference line. I want to mirror this about this vertical line, or we can select two reference points. Suppose this is the first point and this is the second point, and here we can see the object is mirror, and click OK and exit sketch, and here we have better preview of this object. Similarly, we can create the mirror with more references. I will edit this, go to undo, OK. Then once again I take this mirror entities, select this complete object in the entities to mirror. This time I want to mirror it on this front vertical lines. Then mirror about and select this line. Okay, or we can select point or by line and click OK, and we can see the object is mirror on this side now. And once again, if we want to mirror again, we can go to sketch. Okay, go to this sketch and go to edit sketch. Then select mirror entities. This time I will select this complete both the objects, press enter, or select mirror about and mirror about this horizontal line. Select this point, first this point and then this line, and click OK and click exit sketch. Or to hide these relations, we can click on this I and we can go to view sketch relations. We can uncheck this and it is showing the better preview of this object. So now I can exit sketch.